In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a device mockup to your Framer project, showcasing its ability to bring your designs to life in a realistic context. The initial step we need to follow revolves around the Framer marketplace, which offers an extensive variety of plugins that enhance the functionality and versatility of Framer. You'll need to locate a specific plugin called Device Mockups. Simply carry out a quick search in the marketplace, keying in the term Device Mockups. Once you've located this plugin, the subsequent step to take is to incorporate it into your project. The installation is not complex at all. You'll need to get the plugin installed on your project effectively to benefit from the range of its features. The whole process is crucial as it is what equips Framer with the ability to work with Device Mockups. With the Device Mockups plugin successfully installed, now our project is primed for setting up the device mockup. You'll channel the power of the plugin's tools in this stage. From the assortment of devices available, you will select the one that best matches your project requirement. Following the selection, you'll proceed to the customization phase, tailoring the look and feel according to your project theme, only to finally add the mockup to your design layout directly within Framer. Adding the mockup is only the initial part of the story. The beauty of Framer's Device Mockups plugin lies in being able to tweak a variety of parameters. On the right-hand panel, you'll find the plugin's controls. These help you fine-tune properties such as perspective, hue, saturation, and contrast to ensure that the device mockup accurately reflects the design context you're targeting. Each property adjustment can dramatically transform the appearance of the mockup, allowing you the freedom to experiment and arrive at a solution that speaks to your audience convincingly. The interplay between selecting, customizing, and placing a mockup, combined with adjusting the properties in real time, truly lends a lifelike quality to your design presentation. The prospect of harnessing Framer's Device Mockups plugin could be the difference between an average design illustration and a cutting-edge display that captivates your target audience. By closely following this step-by-step tutorial, you have indeed learned how to integrate a device mockup into your Framer project effectively. With consistent practice, you'll soon be mastering this aspect of Framer with ease.